ba. Pero syempre comment ko lang no, mas mabilis siya sa confidential funds. 100% 100% in 11 days.
Madam Chair, since you allowed her a snide comment, you will allow me a snide comment as well.
Okay.
Yes, Madam Chair.
So
May I, before you proceed, may I remind both our guests and our resource
You should have reminded
persons
her
to
when she said the
refrain
line, diba? I called your attention, Madam Chair. You did not recognize me. So, ngayon, sasabihin ko na, if you allowed her that, you allowed me a snide comment as well.
I don't recall hearing a snide comment,
comment ko lang no, mas
Madam Vice President. Ang snide comment, that's a matter of judgment. So please proceed with
Secretariat,
your...
out of order, Madam Chair, kasi parang
So let's please proceed with the answer.
Point of order,
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, kasi parang siya yung nagpe-preside eh.
Yes,
Ay,
that's
ganun
why
talaga ang buhay, ma'am. Kasi inuutusan
Madam
mo
Vice
yung
President.
secretariat natin sa Committee on
Ganyan
Appropriation.
Yes.
Alam
Some order,
diba?
please.
So,
Yes,
okay, thank you,
Madam
Madam
Vice
Chair.
President.
Madam Chair, I do not understand bakit a person convicted of child abuse is still sitting in a seat
Point of
of the
order,
House
Madam
of
Chair, ito yung sinasabi
Representatives.
natin.
You allowed her a snide comment and then you will not allow
Please,
me
please wait
a
to be
snide
recognized.
comment?
Our guests,
I warn
please,
you.
please wait
Don't
to
go
be
into this rabbit hole.
acknowledged. Please wait.
Madam Chair, sa rule naman natin, lahat dito tinatanong eh, no?
Narinig mo yung sinabi niya, ma'am? Narinig
So
mo yung
please proceed.
nakikinig ka sa kanya kanina?
Absolutely.
Walang rules dito.
Please
So, dahil may notice of disallowance, so ibig sabihin, Madam Chair, illegal ito at not in accordance with the joint circular by the COA. So kung ito ay dinisallow, so ibig sabihin illegal yung paggamit nito.
You cannot allow a member of the House to just claim that it is illegal. That is a
Madam
notice
Chair?
of disallowance. That is a procedure inside the Commission on Audit. Hindi sa upuan niya.
I would assume hindi naman po pinanganak kahapon ng ating resource person. Practice po natin sa House.
Madam Chair, that is a
bago
snide
po-
remark.
Na para po tayo
Yung tactics na ganyan, na parang parang sorry for the pusit, na kapag nasusukol na ang pusit ay nagaano ng maitim na tinta. So ayaw natin ng ganun, Madam Chair. No? So wag naman mag-ugaling pusit ang Office of the Vice President.
proceed with our next
Madam Chair,
interpreter.
may I?
Is this just a point of order?
Not a point of order, but
We will
I'm
only,
just
you may
want
wish
to
to
say a
be,
rejoinder of what
you may
our
wish to
colleague-
be, unless it's a point of order, you may wish to be listed. I can put you here, sir. Meaning to say, kung may question at ayaw niyo pong sagutin niyo ng diretsahan na hindi po ako sasagot dun sa tanong. Ang problema po kasi, ang response ay naging hindi related dun sa tanong. Halimbawa, may tanong, ang sagot ay paglalarawan doon sa nagtanong. So hindi naman yon klaro na hindi yon directly related dun sa tanong. Kaya, yun po. I said, yes, and
Yes,
please, I
ma'am.
remind also our
Yes, ma'am.
resource persons to please act in a respectful manner. Pasensya na po.
So if you allow members of the House of Representatives lines like what you just said, like pusit, bakit mo ako kinocrucify for saying a fact that somebody is convicted of child abuse sitting in the chair? Pusit, and then I cannot fire the presiding chair. So bakit?
Yes, we
Bakit napaka-one-sided nito, ma'am?
noted po.
Dahil ba madami kayo dyan sa kabila at nag-iisa ako dito?
Thank you, ma'am.
I move that it be stricken off the record the issues pertaining or related to the case of Honorable Franz Castro, which was said by the resource person, Madam Chair.
Is there an objection? Hearing none, the same is
Objection,
approved.
Madam Chair.
What is the objection?
Objection is it is a fact that there was a conviction.
I believe it is not related to the briefing and it is being appealed right now. So Madam Chair, wala po tayo sa disposisyon para pag-usapan yun dito. And Madam Chair, ang hinihiling ko lang ay tanggalin yun.
Wait a minute.
Tanggalin yun sa record, Madam Chair. And it is very, I think it is reasonable to ask that of the committee, Madam Chair.
On my part, before I can decide on whether I will agree or join the objection, I've not heard of this case before. Can we know a little bit more about this case? Can we know a little bit more about this case?
And since the VP is saying na merong Supreme Court, may we have a copy, Madam Chair, of the Supreme Court, no, na kanilang kaso, Madam Chair. Pwede ba yun i-disclose sa atin, Madam Chair?
No! God, please, no! No!
Of course not. I am not the Supreme Court. They should request doon sa Supreme Court.
I ruled that we stick to our plan and
Chair, it seems that Representative Son Singh was well prepared when she came, and she already knew the answers. In fact, she had this drama to ask the Commission on Audit representative here, but when he was not able to answer, she had the answer already to her question. So, Madam Chair, may I request that only representatives who have questions be allowed to speak? That is not a motion, that is a request to you as the presiding officer. The invitation for this budget hearing was the budget proposal of fiscal year 2025 of the Office of the Vice President. I request that the questions, Madam Chair, be related to the subject of the budget hearing, which is the OVP 2025 budget proposal. And Madam Chair, you will allow me this because you allowed him to speak about DepEd, which is not related to OVP. According to Kate and Ida, the former secretary of the CPP-NPA's Sub-Regional Committee 5, revealing concerning associations of Representative Raul Manuel with the NPA units in Southern Mindanao, alleging that he visited
Madam Chair, point of order.
Sitio Bolo,
Madam Chair.
Barangay Daguhoy,
Please proceed,
Talaingon, Davao del
Madam Vice
Norte
President.
in 2017. And his alleged connections with the CPP-NPA coupled with the recruitment activities involving Kabataan Party List. Rendell, who was missing for 11 months and
Madam
came
Chair,
home
point of
in a
order, Madam
coffin.
Chair. So,
And came home in a coffin.
yung sinasabi